How to find groups notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find groups notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and then click notifications and now click groups. And as you see here, you can manage groups notification settings. You can turn it off if you want, and you can turn it on again. Just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.